Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, in this video you will learn in detail about the datum dimensions with the help of examples. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe for more such informative videos. So the datum dimension is a type of dimensions in which we uh, apply the dimensions to an object from some reference point, and that reference point is known as datums. The reference may be a point or a line or a plane. So to understand the datum dimensions with the help of example, so let's start. So here we are going to draw an object. So this is an arbitrary object, and now for this object, this one, we want to draw the datum dimensions. So for the reference from where we have to take the dimensions, so we will be saying that this is the datum from where we will be taking the dimensions. So what is the distance from the this point, means of this corner to from this datum? So we will be applying the dimensions. So you can see the distance from here, from this this corner of the object to this datum is 2 feet and 9.41 inches. Now we want to measure the distance of this corner of the object from the datum is how much. So we will be clarifying, and then so the distance of the object from here, means from the corner, from this corner of the object to the datum is this much, and now we want to apply the measure of this corner, which is of how much. Of this corner is how much the distance from the datum. Now this corner is how much distance from the datum, this one. And from here the distance to the datum is this much, which is 15 feet and 1.03 inches. And this much distance from this corner to the reference line, and of this last corner the distance to the reference is this much. So now you can see that the distance. So this was what we call as the datum dimensions, because the dimension starts from this reference, and we can measure the distance by using this as the datum line. So all the dimension has been taken of the different corners of the object from this reference line, which is the datum. So this type of dimensions is called the datum dimensions. This is applied from this reference point. Let's suppose this is the, we want to measure the distance of this corner from this dimension, so we can measure from this dimensions, which is 10 feet and 11.21 inches. So this is what we call as the datum dimensions. So if you have any question in this, you can ask in the comment section, and thank you for watching this video.